All right, everyone, we're on a 5-ball pattern. We need to map this out. 5-ball is close to this pocket down here, so ideally, I would like to be anywhere in this area for the 5-ball. And we can actually be back a little further, but let's just go off of that. Now, to get to the 5-ball from the 4-ball, ideally, we would like to be here. If we're here, we'll shoot that in and we'll bounce right up, or we may need just a little bit of left spin depending on where we are. Low left would probably hit here, bounce out here, and then come over. That will work too. All right, so we know we need to be for the 5 and the 4. How do we get to the 3-ball from the 4-ball? Let's look at the pocket line, everyone, coming through the center of the ball to the center of the pocket. It's about down here, everyone, so I need to stay on this side of the pocket line. And let's see, stun will send me probably about right here and then bounce over. So a soft stun, little drag stun, or center ought to get me there. How do we get from the 2 to the 3? Ideally, we would like to be pretty straight on that 2. If we're anywhere in this area here, and the 2 will go in here and we'll slide right over. Now we have the option of hitting soft, which is usually the way I play, and float out. Because if I hit this rail here and bounce out, I may stay on the line, but I may drift over too far in this direction, everyone. So that's the way I'm going to play it. All right, to get to the 2-ball from the 1-ball, ideally I would like a slight angle, as we always preach, and just float right up here for the 2-ball. Let me double check this way here. If I'm over here, bounce here, go there. I'm going away from the ball before I'm coming to the ball, so I'm going to just take this route over here. All right, everyone, that's my solution. Let's sticker this up and get to it. The success of this run out is whether or not you can get on the correct side of the 3-ball pocket line. In the solution, we ended up straight on the 2-ball instead of rolling down a few inches crossing the pocket line. We'll send the cue ball off the end rail with top spin, which almost guarantees we have the correct angle on the 3-ball. Once we're on the 3-ball, we can use a center ball shot to send the cue ball to the end rail for the 4-ball. Now we'll pocket the 4-ball with a little left spin to send the cue ball toward the 5. Once you shoot the 1-ball, the cue ball will hit the side rail. Shooting the 2, we need to hit the end rail. Shooting the 3, the cue ball needs to hit the end rail. And shooting the 4, the cue ball needs to hit the end rail. All right, everyone, you know the solution. Let's get to it.